Miario Ya Uiguano niredekuthetie namba kana nithiete nambere guthikiriria mawoni mahonge itiganite ari hamwe na anyiti itemi a sector itiganite muthenya wa umuthi magithie nambere kana mucemanio kana miario ya muthenya wa umuthi igitwarithio nambere mwena wa Bomas mucini munene wa Kenya Nairobi gukiri uguo ruhonge rwa guthaitera maabitha a borithi rwa ipoa niruhotire gwikinya mbere ya Kamitii ino na kuga ati nirukoretwo rukinyitia muthiuri hari gutigirira ati nimatetera maabitha a borithi ona ati ni marabatara undu matiganite ari hamwe na kwendekithia ruhonge rwa gutigirira ati ni mongererwo hinya hari kuruta wira wao gukiri uguo nacio kana naruo ruhonge rwa guthaitera atumia guku bururi-ini ni rukorirwo rugikinya mbere ya Kamitii ino makiuga ati ni hinda garama ya muturire korwo ikiheranio na uteti maina wa mucwe kuria mwena wa Bomas na atuhariria riboti iri gukorwo gutuhingurira mutamburiko witu wa muthenya wa umuthi.
Ari mbere ya Kamitii ya gibururi igimaini na Miario Ya Uiguano ruhonge rwa ipoa na rurero nyabaraga murutire wa wira wa maabitha a borithi niruhoete kuheo hinya makiria niguo ruhote gutabania wigirereki wao na makiria na kuhurana na ciiko cia borithi kuhuthira hinya makiria guku magitariria uria thogora wa muturire uhutetie maabitha a borithi na gikiro kinene indi makihoya thirikari iige kigina mwanya gia guhura njiki miturire yao.
If the national government affirmative action fund can be enhanced and entrenched in the constitution, it can roll out and support the polycare centers within the police stations, therefore enhancing provision of security.
Makiria na uguo ni makorirwo na ihinda iritu kuihuria makinya maria matacukiirie maabitha a borithi kwetukira kuhuthira hinya hindi ya mirurungano guku Opiyo Wandayi akiuga 73 nicio ciandikithirio guku nao ipoa makiana na namba yao ta ngurani ikionekana kwiyumiria.
But from your end, because you are financed by taxpayers to do exactly that, how many lives of Kenyans were lost from police brutality?
The data that we have on deaths is 57.
Not 73.
Not 73. Okay. And this is how they are classified: 33, Nakuru 2, Nairobi 20, Kakamega 2.
Makiria na uguo ni manyitire guoko watho wa muigananio wa eri hari atatu niguo kuongerera thini wa oyani wa makurutu ma maabitha a borithi niguo kurehe guigana,
which is policing, has comprised 10% of the total police strength.
Mwena-ini wa ruhonge rwa NCIC ni rwendekithĩirie thirikari guthurima wagi wa mawira kuri mbeu njithi ari ni hamwe na guka na mitaratara mirumu ya kuhonia bururi uyu kumana na kironda gia githurano kuona na hau gabere bururi ni wagire gwetha kihonia miario-ini ya Kofi Annan iria yekekire mwaka-ini wa 2008.
Current National Dialogue Committee, this particular committee is a moment again for Kenya to be courageous enough and confront the past. But I want to say the reason why we've missed those opportunities is because when a moment comes for us to engage in reconciliation, it is only important if the politicians are unhappy.
Atumia nao makirugamirwo ni maendeleo ya wanawake ni mendekithĩirie Kamitii ino kwa muturire na uteti kuona ateti ni maũhũthĩrire hindi ya gĩthurano uyo macũngĩrĩro arĩ a Kenya aingĩ gũthiĩ na.
We would appreciate a separation of matters to do with cost of living and politics, because cost of living is affected by other external factors, such as we had a prolonged drought.
Kamitii ino ya Miario Ya Uiguano itigeirwo wigirereki wa kumenyekana ni kunengerana mendekithia ma kugarura gatiba ka mwaka wa 2010 kana ni guteaniria mendekithia ma anyiti itemi aria aingi thiini wa Kamitii ino guku naguo thogora wa muturire uthiete na mbere na kuhurwo njeki ni anyiti itemi aingi makendekithia thirikari ikendu iguru rigi thogora uyu. Giribotera Muthingi TV kuma guku Bomas of Kenya mucini munene wa Nairobi rekwo ni maina wa mucwe
Jabadi tu maina wa mucwe thengio muno ni undu wa riboti yo na makiria kuma mwena wa Bomas mucini munene wa Kenya Nairobi tukiuma ku tuthinu na mbere